This is what How to Train Your Dragon looks like behind the scenes. In Hiccup's final dragon training battle, Stoic yells at Hiccup and Astrid to get out of the cage.
That's an order!
But on set, it was actually director Dean DeBlois doing the shouting.
Astrid, Hiccup, get back here! That's an order!
And the actors were just reacting to him. In the movie, Stoic charges at Toothless with a hammer ready to strike. Behind the scenes, he just fast walks and gives the dragon's prop head a hug. Mason Thames has a habit of cracking his hands, and it actually annoys his co-star Nico Parker.
Stunty stuff, all he does, you know, absolutely.
I only did one.
You did two.
Sometimes he even cracks his neck too.
It's not the fingers, it's the neck. Ugh.
In the animated film, almost everyone wears sleeveless shirts except Hiccup. But since they shot the live-action movie in chilly Northern Ireland, the cast had to swap those for warmer clothes.